on this survey without.
I know, it's huge.
Hey, if you want views, get the one further out.
Oh, that one over there.
That line.
Yeah.
See,
That's the outside reef line. Holy shit!
there must be a reef there.
Yeah, there is. Look at that. Well, thank God for the reefs. That's all I can say. So this is about 24 hours before we get hurricane force winds. So this is just pure, it's not very windy. Maybe 12, 15 knots. But the surf is well up. There will be a lot of coastal erosion from this storm. Yeah, look at the outer reef line. Jeez. There is still beach down there. Yeah, I know. Look at the size of them. Their rollers are huge. Jeez. Yeah. Well, you can see how big it is. Amazing. Amazing. It's Clancy having a little sniffy. Clancy! Sniffy, Clancy! Okay, let's go home again and see Andrew.
Yeah. This little cove here looks missing.
Yeah, that little cove might not be there. We'll come back and have a look and see what it looks like next week.